Hi guys, welcome back to the PhD Prep Lab channel. So FSSAI has released a circular regarding their internship that is going to be in the month of October 2025 under their internship scheme. FSSAI, as you all know, is the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. It is the apex body responsible for ensuring food safety and compliance to food standards across the country. So they have listed out the eligibility criteria for this internship program. So they have a wide range of um, programs from which a student can be to apply for this internship. So the students only pursuing a full-time graduate, postgraduate degree or any higher degree from a recognized institute within India or even abroad in any of the following can apply. So it could be a postgraduate degree, a B.Tech, BE from a recognized university in chemistry, biochemistry, food technology, industrial microbiology, toxicology, public health, even life sciences student can apply, or biotechnology students. You can check it out. Check it out. A lot of course has been mentioned here. You could be from business administration background as well, including taxation law, marketing, psychology, human resource, entrepreneurship, etc. Even then, also you can apply here for the internship. You can be pursuing PG diploma degree in journalism, mass communication, and public relations, or a BE, B.Tech, only third and fourth year students, not the second or first year students in computer science, information technology, software engineering, or any related stream. Or you could be from a postgraduate degree, diploma in any public policy administration only for FSSAI headquarters. Okay, so these were the backgrounds from which you can be to apply for the internship. Also, yes, bachelor's or master's of law or bachelor's in commerce and equivalent courses, people are also eligible to apply. The tenure is going to be about 2 months minimum, and it could be extended for 6 months. So no internship will be provided for duration of less than 2 months. The place of internship and area domain is available. That is for the internship. The region could be FSSAI headquarters, New Delhi. So under New Delhi, these are the topics: human resources, quality assurance, legal, etc., RTI administration. For their regional offices in Mumbai, Chennai, and Ghaziabad, they are offering food imports and clearance licensing. For the National Food Laboratory that is located in Ghaziabad, Kolkata, Chennai, NFL, Kolkata Extension Center, for there, they are offering food sampling and testing. So make sure that the region you are applying has your subject of interest. The working space, they have mentioned that you should have your own laptop, and FSSAI will provide you working space and internet facility, but other necessary essentials like travel and boarding will not be provided by them. So you have to check it out on your own, your boarding and your travel facilities, lodging, etc. So the application process is such that if you are interested and eligible to apply, you can apply through the specified format as per the timelines provided by FSSAI. Applicants who had applied for internship for a particular quarter and not selected need to apply again for the next quarter. The candidates applying for this internship may be required to submit a short write-up presentation in the application form as a part of their final selection. All the applications will be scrutinized by the concerned national nodal officers nominated for internship. The final list will be uploaded on their website. You can check it out. They have given a timeline. So the starting of this application has begun already on 16th of September 2025. The last date for the submission of application online is 23rd of September 2025. They will announce the shortlisted candidates in the first to second week of October 2025, and the date of joining will be intimated to the selected candidates. And at the time of joining, you will be required to carry a letter from your institution indicating that you are the student of this institution, and no objection certificate should be issued, allowing you to undergo the internship for 2 to 6 months. A character certificate is also required from the institution along with the proof of your educational qualifications as mentioned in the application. Since the internship scheme will be scheduled quarterly throughout the year, hence any request for extension of joining time by the interns for more than a week will not be accepted. So yes, they keep on doing this internship quarterly every year. So if you're not able to join immediately on the given date, they will only extend till a week, not more than that. So you have to apply on the next quarter if you are not able to join at the given time. You will be given assignments and etc. as a part of your training um, that they have mentioned, and stipend is going to be of 10,000, but for the total internship period, and that also has some cost, like you have to be giving assignments, attendance, evaluation, everything will be done. Then only on performance basis they will give you the stipend for the whole internship period. It's not like you have joined and you will definitely get the stipend. You have to work hard and you have to prove by your attendance and assessments and everything to be that you are eligible for the stipend. But all the students will definitely get this internship certificate award on successful completion of the internship after the final submission of the review or final report presentation by the respective divisional heads at FSSAI headquarters and director at RO. So you cannot apply for multiple applications. The candidates ensure that the place for the internship that they are going to opt has the subject topic available with that place. That is, in the cases of FSSAI lab, only technical qualified candidates will be eligible. So they have mentioned different domains of the internship and different regions where this internship is being applied. So you have to check it out. Whichever city you are applying to should have that topic or the subject that you are applying for in this internship. If you have any query, you can mail it to them on the given email IDs. So this is about the internship program. This is a long PDF. You can check it out by yourself also, just in case you don't miss out any detail, and hurry up because the dates are coming soon. The last date is coming very soon, so you have to apply it as soon as possible. This is a nice opportunity. Even if you are from a different background, you can still apply. They have mentioned all the list. So if you have any doubts relating to this video or this application, let us know in the comment section. We will definitely answer to you guys. And if you like the video, make sure that you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more such updates on our channel. Thank you for watching.